we have Justin Chan Chan the Man in also known as Taylor. Coming up, we have Ivan and Cassandra. Next up, we have Eileen and Kofi. Jen and Jeffrey. Paul and Stephanie. Becky and Eric. Kate and Christian. And last but not least, Blaze and Tegan. Are they here? They are here. Wonderful. All right. So, we cannot have a contest without a DJ. So let's give it up for DJ Claudia. All right, contestants, listen up. We're gonna have 2 songs. I am told that they're gonna be brisk and then fast. But you know, Byron was the advisor for the music of this contest, so it may be fast and faster, actually. So, you know, be prepared. Find a spot on the dance floor, and we're gonna see you dance. All right, DJ Claudia, swing that stuff. Okay, audience, have you picked your favorite couple yet? Because they have one more song to prove that they should be in the finals. So if your favorite couple is dancing, make sure you yell and clap and get really excited, because how about it, dancers? Do we feel like we have even more energy when people clap for us?
That's right!
And could we say that we are dancing for us, yes, but also for them?
That's right!
Alright, so audience, you will clap, you will go crazy, because we have one last song of the Jitterbug contest prelims.